Hi everyone, welcome to another Binance tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw your money from Binance directly to your bank account. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, my name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies and the stock market. So if you love money conversations and you really want to make money, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please guys, like this video. Now, before CBN banks from crypto transactions, you could actually withdraw your money directly to your bank account. You can withdraw your NGN fiat balance directly to your bank account, but now you can't anymore, and Binance has even stopped it on the app. Now, the process I'm going to be using is P2P trading. I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can withdraw your money directly to your bank account using P2P trading. Now, the first thing is to convert the coin you want to sell to BTC or USDT or BNB. Now let me go straight to my wallet. Now this is my spot wallet. Under my spot wallet, you can see I have BNB, ETH, TRX, USDT, BSD. So the first thing I need to do is convert part of my coins to BTC. I would like to use BTC for the P2P trading stuff. So I'm going to convert part of my TRX to BTC. So I'll just go to trade, and then I'll search for BTC slash TRX slash BTC. Okay, easier. So I will just sell, I'll click on sell, and I'll sell 50%. Let me just sell out 50% of my TRX. I'll sell it. So let me go back to my wallet. So you can see it will show you. So I have BTC already in my wallet. So after converting the coin you want to sell to BTC or USDT or BNB, the next thing is to convert your BTC from your spot wallet to your P2P wallet. Now it's simple. All you have to do is just click on transfer here. You can see beside deposits, withdraw and transfer. So you click on transfer, and after clicking on transfer, you select the coin you want to transfer. So I want to transfer my BTC from spot wallet to P2P wallet. You can see from spot to P2P wallet. It's already on BTC, so I'm going to enter the amount of BTC I want to transfer. So let me just click max. Let me send everything. So confirm. Let me just click cancel. So if you look at the top of the screen here, just click on P2P. You will see the Bitcoin you transferred there. You will see it there. So let me open it so you guys can see here. So you can see I've transferred 0.002 BTC to my P2P wallet, and that's 40,000 naira. So after you've already transferred the amount of BTC you want to sell from your spot wallet to your P2P wallet, the next thing is to click on sell. You can see buy, sell, transfer. So you click on sell, and then you take it to the P2P trading platform. Now, as you can see, you're going to see I'm on sell. You're going to click on BTC. It's BTC we want to sell. So these are the different people who want to buy BTC from you right now. Now let's take, for example, before picking the person I'm going to trade with, let me fully show you some things. Now look at the first person. You can see his username is crypto gem. His price is 33,950,350 naira, and then the limit is 5,000 naira to 440,000 naira. So if you want to sell BTC between 5,000 naira to 440,000 naira, you can choose that person. And you can see below, you can see NGN fiat balance. That's his payment method. That means the person will pay you through NGN fiat balance, but we don't want that. We want someone who will pay us directly to our bank account. So instead of you scrolling down looking for someone who can transfer directly to your bank account, all you need to do is just click on this filter icon at the top right corner of the screen, this filter icon, and then you're going to enter the amount of BTC you want to sell. So let me take, for example, I want to sell let me say 30,000 naira. Then I'll click on bank transfer, payment method, bank transfer. You can see all other payment method here. So but what I want is bank transfer, and then just click on confirm. So it's going to bring to you people that they are selling between the range of 30,000 naira, and then they can pay you through bank transfer. So the next thing you need to look at is to look at the number of trades they have and their percentage completion. So as you can see, this first person has 0 trades and 0% completion. So I can't actually trade with that kind of person. So all you have to do is just keep scrolling down until you see someone who has a very good percentage. So I'm going to keep scrolling. Okay, you can see this person doing solar. The person had 3,516 trades and 87% completion. That's actually nice. So let me click on this person. So once you click on anyone you want to trade with, you have to check more info about them, the reviews they've been getting from other people they've been trading with. Now to check that, you come down to the screen, trade info. I see buyer's nickname doing solar. So you click on that nickname. It will show you more about the trader. So you can see positive feedback 98%. So you can see the last two feedbacks were good. So okay, we can actually trade with this kind of person. So let's continue. So all you have to do is to just enter the amount of BTC you want to sell by crypto or by fiat. So let me just enter it by fiat. We enter 30,000 naira. Then this is my bank. Below you can see bank transfer. That's my own account number. The account number the person will send money to. If you want to change your payment method, you can just click on that place. You can see I have two different account numbers. Or if you want to add a new payment method, you can click add a new payment method. So let me go back. So this is my account number. I'm going to click on sell BTC, and then once I click on sell BTC, the person will receive a notification that he has an order, and then it's going to send me money. Now let's take for example the person is taking time, is not sending you money. You can see the countdown has started. Expect to receive payment in 12 minutes. So the countdown has started. I don't need to do anything, or maybe if I want to chat the person up, so I'm waiting for the person to send me my money. And then once I confirm the money in my bank account, I will click payment received down here. But in case the person is not sending money, maybe after like 1 or 2 minutes, you can just chat the person up. You can check at the top right corner of the screen. You can see the chat icon. So just tap the chat icon, and then you can chat to the person. Okay, you can just say I just made an order, kindly send payment fast, or kindly make payment fast. So let me just send that, and then I'm actually going to be waiting for the person to send me my money. So once I confirm that, I'm going to click on payment received. So I'm actually waiting.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so after waiting for some minutes, the person has actually sent the money, and it has just been confirmed in my account. So you can see just received 30,000 naira from Doisola, blah blah blah. So I'm going to go to my app, and then I'm going to click on payment received. Then confirm payment received. Attention, please be sure to log in the receiving, blah blah blah. Just confirm, and then click on confirm. So a code will be sent to my phone number, and then I will enter the code, and then I'll just send the code. So I'm waiting for the code. So the code has been sent, and I click on submit, and then successfully sold. That's all. So I'll just give the person positive rating. Done. Yeah guys, so just like that, I've just sold my BTC and I've gotten my money sent to my bank account. So let's say for example the person I wanted to trade with, let's say for example the person didn't reply me till the transaction time has passed, then nothing is going to happen. My money, or sorry, my Bitcoin is going to be sent back to my wallet, my P2P wallet, and I can pick another person to trade with. Maybe the person wasn't online, that's why the person didn't reply or send the money. So you can actually just pick another person to trade with. And guys, whenever you want to trade with anybody on P2P on Binance, make sure you are careful of scammers. There are a lot of scammers on the app right now, and if you want to know how to spot and avoid scammers on the app, I did a video on that. I did a separate video on that. I'll do the link in the comment section in the description of this video. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you've learned one thing or the other from this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and if you want me to make a video on any Binance tutorial, just drop the topic in the comment section. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.